All of these services, the Lunch and Learns, the email reminder program, and the website come together to make Be Aware unique from other breast cancer nonprofits. As a nonprofit foundation, Be Aware relies on gifts to provide these vital, life-saving services to women.
The treatment of early breast cancer is relatively inexpensive and it's very well tolerated. When there's a delayed diagnosis, you have an increased risk of that cancer coming back. And the big expense is treating recurrent breast cancer. There you go to a $500,000 to $1 million tag, and most of those patients end up dying. If we can shift a stage 3 breast cancer to a stage 2 by early diagnosis, a stage 2 to a stage 1, each step down leads to a better survival rate. Each time we have better survival, we have lower costs. So the benefit of moving 5% of the 200,000 women who get breast cancer a year, downstage them, is millions and millions of dollars. It's the best bang for the buck we've got, and it's the most underutilized strategy that we have.